Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you the procedures you can do to fix your Galaxy A50 that became so sluggish. Performance issues may occur every now and then, but just like any other issues of its kind, it's often fixable. You just have to do some procedures to be able to make your device work perfectly again, and that's what we're going to do here. With that said, here's what you should do. First solution, close all apps running in the background. Perhaps the reason why your phone has become so sluggish is because there are already a lot of apps running in the background. So the first thing that you have to do is close them and see if the problem gets fixed. Here's how you do that. Tap the Recent Apps key to view apps you've recently used. Now tap Close All to stop them all in one go. Once you've closed all those apps, move on to the next solution. Second solution, force restart your phone. The next thing you have to do is to refresh your phone's memory, as there's a chance that this is all just because of a minor system glitch. To do so, try doing the forced restart and see if that can help. This is how it's done. Press the volume down button and the power key at the same time and hold them both for 10 seconds. This will trigger your phone to shut down and power back up. Once the logo shows on the screen, release both keys and wait until the boot process is finished. After the restart, try to see if your Galaxy A50 is still sluggish or slow. Third solution, run your phone in safe mode. What you have to do next is find out if the problem is caused by third-party apps and services, especially if the first two solutions fail to fix the problem. Restart your phone in safe mode to disable them. Here's how it's done. Swipe down from the top of the screen and tap the power icon. Tap and hold the power off option until it turns into safe mode. Now tap safe mode to restart your phone. Once the reboot is finished, the word safe mode will be displayed on the lower left corner, which means it's in safe mode now. Try using your phone as you normally would to know if it's still sluggish. Fourth solution, factory reset your phone. Most of the time, lags and freezes can be fixed by the first three solutions. However, if the issue persists or if it occurs occasionally, then you will have to reset your device. A reset will fix this kind of problem, but make sure to create a backup of your important files. When you're ready, follow these steps to reset your phone. Pull up the app drawer and tap Settings. Scroll all the way down and tap General Management. Tap Reset and then choose Factory Data Reset. Scroll down and tap the Reset button. If prompted, enter your security lock. Tap Delete All and enter your password. Tap Done to proceed with the factory reset. Once the reset is complete, set up your Galaxy A50 as a new device. We hope that this guide can help you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure you enable the notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new videos. Thanks for watching.